Hello kids, welcome to ABC123 Magical Learning. Let's learn alphabets A to Z with different colors. Let's color the alphabets. A. This is A. A for apple. A for apple. Next is B. B for ball. C. C for cat. C for cat. Next alphabet is D. D for dog. Next is E. Alphabet E. E for egg. Next is F. F for fish. Next is G. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. H. H for horse. Next is I. I for ink. I for ink. J for juice. K for kite. Next is L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. Next alphabet is N. N for nest. Next is O. O for octopus. Next is P. P for peacock. P for peacock. Next is Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Next is R. R. R for rainbow. Next alphabet is S. S for sun. Next is T. T for tent. U. U for uniform. Next alphabet is V. V for violin. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yellow. Y for yellow. Z for zero. Zero. Let's repeat again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Kids, hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.